This is where everything starts to click. The Mediterranean diet is built around real, simple foods, not processed ones. 1. Vegetables, leafy greens, tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, zucchini. These aren't side dishes, they're the main event. They're packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that support your body at a deep level. 2. Fruits. Instead of processed sugar, people rely on fruits like oranges, figs, grapes, and berries. These provide natural sweetness plus hydration and essential nutrients. 3. Whole grains. Think whole wheat bread, brown rice, oats, barley. Unlike refined grains, these keep you full longer and help stabilize energy levels. 4. Legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. These are powerful plant-based protein sources. They also support digestion and heart health. 5. Olive oil. This is where things get interesting. Olive oil replaces butter and processed fats. It's rich in healthy fats that support heart health. 6. Fish and seafood, salmon, sardines, mackerel. These are eaten regularly, especially fatty fish rich in omega-3s. They support brain function and heart health. 7. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, small but powerful. They provide healthy fats, protein, and nutrients that keep you satisfied. 8. Dairy, cheese, and yogurt are included, but not in excess, and they're often less processed than what many people are used to. 9. Lean proteins. Chicken and eggs are eaten occasionally. Red meat, rarely, and that's a big difference compared to many modern diets. 10. Optional, moderate wine, often consumed with meals, not in excess, and always as part of a balanced lifestyle. So now you know what's included. But here's the real question. Why does this combination of foods outperform so many other diets? The answer might surprise you. Let's break it down. 1. Support heart health. This diet is linked to supporting a healthy heart. Healthy fats, one's fiber, plus antioxidants was a powerful combination. 2. Longevity. People who follow this lifestyle tend to live longer. Not just longer, but healthier. 3. Brain function. Certain foods in this diet support memory and cognitive function, which means it's not just about your body, it's about your mind too. 4. Weight balance. Here's something surprising. People often maintain a healthy weight without counting calories. Why? Because the foods are naturally filling and satisfying. 5. Supports a healthy inflammatory response. Many long-term health concerns are connected to inflammation. This diet emphasizes foods that help support the body's natural balance. Here's where things go off track for many people. They try to copy the Mediterranean diet, but miss the lifestyle part. People in Mediterranean regions eat slowly, share meals, stay active naturally, enjoy food without guilt. If you only focus on the food, but ignore the lifestyle, you're missing half the equation. You don't need to move to Greece to start. Here's how to begin. Swap butter for olive oil. Add vegetables to every meal. Choose whole grains over refined ones. Eat fish a few times a week. Snack on nuts instead of processed foods. Start simple. Consistency beats perfection. So now you know, the Mediterranean diet isn't just a trend. It's a proven, balanced way of eating that supports your entire body. But here's the real question. If you had to start today, what's one change you'd make first? A. More vegetables. B. Switch to olive oil. C. Eat more fish. D. Cut back on processed foods. Drop your answer below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video wellness.